I received a Chamaecyparis lawsoniana Ellwoodii indoor plant as a gift. How do I care for it? This is my first plant, and this is Anga in Singapore.
Singapore, that's whoa.
On YouTube, Singapore.
Yes.
This is pretty good. All right. So Ellwoodii.
Yes.
She received it as an indoor gift.
Well, since Singapore is in the tropics.
The tropics, right?
I would see, this is actually in the zones 5 through 8, it'll get up to 20 feet tall.
Oh, yeah.
So, but in the tropics, in the container, it's not going to get that big.
Yeah.
But it's a conifer, so she's going to need to make sure it's well drained.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And don't overwater it.
Don't overwater, right. It's got to be well drained.
And it's going to need a lot of light, too, because there's a lot of foliage there to sustain. So it's going to need some light.
Okay. Wow, how about that?
Yeah.
Indoors,
yes.
You'll get that tall?
No, it won't get that big
tall. Yeah, okay.
Indoors, I don't think, no.
But just make sure, that plenty of sunlight.
And well drained. And don't keep it, keep it on what I call the dry side of moist.
Okay, dry side.
Right, yeah, I mean, let it dry out a little bit between waterings because you want it to be well drained. Because if it starts getting dead spots on it, that's probably a sign of it's got too much water.
Too much water. Okay. All right. So if it's in a window, we were thinking south-facing.
Yeah, definitely a south-facing window.
Are you going to have to?
I would think you would have to turn it.
Rotate it. Yeah.
Just keep it straight because it's a tall, narrow plant. So you'd want an evergreen, and she may want to, as it grows, she might want to, put it in bigger containers and whatever she wants to do. But yeah, I think that's really neat.
Pretty cool.
Okay. Yes.
Pretty cool. As an indoor, it's
an
funny.
Indoor plant in the tropics would be a conifer. It's interesting.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.